I am going to present Task 4, which is an exploratory analysis of terrorist activities across the world from 1970 to 2017. The objective is to find out what zones of terrorism derive security issues and insights from the dataset. Here I have presented terrorist activities by country. We see that Iraq is the country that has been subject to the highest number of terrorist attacks. Next up is Pakistan, and Afghanistan stands in the third place, and the fourth place is taken by India. Here I have represented terrorist activities for each region. We can see that the highest number of terrorist attacks took place in Middle East and North Africa, and the second highest number of attacks took place in South Asia. Here I have represented the number of attacks committed by different terrorist groups in different countries. We can use the filter right here to get the country-specific information. Like this is the information for Afghanistan, and here is the information for Albania, and we can also get the year specific information by using the filter right here. Here I have represented the activities by different terrorist groups, like the number of people they killed and the number of people they made wounded. And we can see that this is the group that has killed the highest number of people and made the highest number of people wounded by their attacks. Here I have represented the most popular targets of terrorist activities, and we can see that private citizens and property are the most popular target of terrorist attacks. Again, we can use the filter right here to get the country-specific information, like in Albania, government has been attacked for the highest number of times. Here I have represented the most popular weapons used in terrorist attacks, and we can see that the most popular weapon is explosive. Next up, I have represented the most popular and successful attack types, and we can see that the most popular attack type is bombing and explosion, and the second most popular attack type is armed assault. Here I have represented casualties by different target types and weapon types, and we can see that private citizens and property has the highest number of casualties, and most of them are killed by firearms. We can get the similar information for different subcategories here by using this chart. With this, I will end my presentation. Thanks for listening.